Guys, I'm going to Sydney finally. Fun fact about me, I'm drinking coffee with orange juice. People say it might be disgusting. I say it's amazing. If you like it, feel free to drink whatever you like, you know. So I'm preparing for the flight now and I have to go out in 4 minutes. Today I got the flowers from my friend. She came to visit me. She brought me a present for my birthday and she brought me flowers. So, you know, flowers are everywhere here. That's amazing. Good morning, guys, from Sydney. I just want to lay down. I want to sleep. That's my room. Looks like this. It's actually quite big. That's the Sydney view. I'm going to sleep. Bye. I slept like 4 hours, I guess. You can see my eyes. Guys, if I'm continue to sleep, I will wake up in the evening and I'll just waste all the time. Look how I left my shoes. That's how tired I was. Always check if nobody's coming. It's super windy outside, it's crazy. I think it's gonna rain later. Someone just today told me that you have to go in the sun, you have to step with your bare foot on the grass to reconnect with the nature, let's say. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove my shoes. What I really like about Sydney that people here are super chill. All of them are doing like some kind of sport. They're running, riding bicycles, I don't know, spending time outside, surfing. This is kind of lifestyle I want to live, like all the time to be active, do something. I feel like that would be a perfect place for me to live, to be honest. But at the same time, so far and so different from everywhere else.
We vibing.
So,
Hello.
tell what are you doing for my future followers?
Alright, for your future followers, I saw you having a whimsical sushi in the garden. You know, relaxing, very zen. And naturally, we just wanted to come and steal your food, so that's what we did, and I got a piece.
Lucky you. Hey. So what's the name of your channel?
The name of that, we haven't even made the channel yet.
You haven't made it?
This is our first video.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What a coincidence.
So yeah, literally, we're both starting.
That is crazy.
This is the day of new beginnings.
Okay, you have to give me the like a link or something when you create it. I want to see the video.
Yeah, literally. Let's do it. Do you have WhatsApp?
So that is such a coincidence. It's so weird. Like the guy, he came, they were filming some videos, like he's stealing someone's food and I was eating sushi at that moment. We had a really nice chit chat. These guys are so like chill and I don't know, it's just different vibe here about everything. And it was really nice to meet them. When they're gonna post the video, I'll get a link. And yeah.
You understand that what Jesus did on the cross was sin. Remember that name.
Thank you. everything what I planned about my shopping. But I also wanted to buy some clothes. I still want to go to the beach. Guess who came right on time back to the hotel because it's raining. Look at this. I washed my hair, I changed my outfit, and I'm going now to eat. I found some place with ramen, let's see. I need to start follow any sport because people know everything about F1. There is Australian Open, which is like about tennis. Everything I know is just some TikTok videos and Ukrainian players, that's all. Look how cool is it? So I'm heading to watch the sunset, but the sky is gray now. I hope there will be something visible and I'm not just doing it for nothing in the end. Because of this weather, my hair is getting so curly. No! I just found out this camera is not water resistant at all and it's raining. Don't even think there will be nice sunset, to be honest. Oh my god. Did you see that? I want to make one statement, I think. I don't know how it's called. I'm so tired. It's 2 p.m. in Abu Dhabi, but here it's 9 p.m. I feel like I want to sleep, but I feel like it's gonna be more nap than a proper sleep, so I still need to wait a bit. As if there is any opportunity in your life to go change country, job, whatever, always do it, always try. Because somewhere behind the corner it can be so much better, you cannot even imagine. Like few years ago, before I moved abroad, yes, I was forced to move because of that. A few years ago I wouldn't even imagine that I would be sitting in Sydney and talking with a camera. But it was always my dream to go to Australia. I don't know why. Since school, I was always dreaming about that. Like, if somebody asked me where you want to go, I would say Australia. Look at my breakfast.
Stars floating to the sky. The summer was alive, going to the end of time. I can see the daylight. I swear perfectly.
Such a nice place. It's like 3 minutes walk from my hotel, and it's so cozy.
Stars floating to the sky. The summer was alive, going to the end of time. I can see the daylight.
So my plan now is to quickly go to the park, to sit a bit on the grass, reconnect with the nature again, because I have wake up call in half an hour and I'm like 7 minutes walk from the hotel, so I have 15, 20, oh, I'm hidden there to that tree. I wish I can come here so often like I go to US. This is amazing. Look who's coming. actually not really good in football. I don't know, they call it football here or soccer, but not that good, not that good. So I'm ready for the flight. I just need to put my lipstick on. So I decided that next month I'm gonna bid from the flights only for Sydney. Most probably I will check what flights we have, what kind of layovers. I enjoy it so much. I really enjoy it so much that I would better have one really nice layover like this than I will not get anything. Finish. I need to check safety highlights before the flight starts. Every month we are getting new highlights about safety, and during the briefing we discuss it. So most probably today we're gonna do that. Just it's time to leave. Look of the day. As always, I mean, I look so fresh. I don't know, like, how come? Thank you for watching this video. I'll try to do my best to do it more and better.